Hello to everyone and welcome to another marine engineering video by Adventure Story channel. Today, dear friends, we will see a beautiful video with time-lapse of diesel generator engine parts. We will see camshaft, we will see crankshaft, we will see compressor wheels, and this video is beautiful for real. Okay, we will discuss all the details together. We will see some quickly details, but in the future we will say more and more. Don't forget to stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. And here we have our camshaft, a beautiful camshaft which consists with 3 cams. The first one on the left is for the fuel pump, and the 2 next is for the inlet and the exhaust valves. Next we have the compressor wheel, which is made by aluminum alloy, and from here the air is entered the engine. Here again, this is our beautiful camshaft, which operates the inlet and the exhaust valves and also injects and press the fuel pump, and the injection of fuel makes inside the engine. Okay, here we have our crankshaft. This is the day when we take our crankshaft deflection. You can see the counterweights, how the beautiful turns. You will see the connecting root and the crank, which is turning, and all the timing is made by this one and the camshaft. This is how a 4-stroke engine rotates. Our beautiful connecting roots rotates, and it's so beautiful. Here we have our piston crown. You can see how the piston works inside the engine, and also you can see the pattern from the fuel valve, which injects the fuel on the top of the piston crown. You can see the remainings, the parts, unburned parts, which by the time accumulates there on the top of the piston. And this is also beautiful because you can see that your fuel valve injects properly. You have a beautiful pattern. This means that your fuel valve is working. Also here we can see the camshaft again. We can see in the real-time video how the camshaft is turned by the turning device, turning gear of diesel generator engine. And also at the end, when everything is completed, the adjustment is made from here, okay, by turning the engine and check the fuel pump and also the degrees on the flywheel. There is some marks on the flywheel. There is a small window where you can see the top dead centers, and also there is a label on the diesel generator engine from where you can see the timing of all the engine. You can see which piston follows next. And also here there is everything, a lot of information. There is a top dead center. You can see which cylinder is on the top dead center and which one is coming close to the next one. Okay, from here again you can see our beautiful camshaft. So guys, stay tuned. In the future coming more beautiful videos. Bye bye.